On your first time using the Consenz app, you will be faced with the login screen. Here you have three options: create account, log in, and discover Consenz. Clicking create account will bring you to a standard new account form to fill in your contact details and new password, or log in with your preferred third-party service. You also have the option to add your Consenz unit ID. This unit ID can be added or amended in the settings later if needed. If you already have an account, clicking login will bring you to the standard login page. Simply log in with your email and password, or use your third-party login. If you have lost your password, then you can retrieve it at the forgotten password link found here. The final option on the login page is Discover Consenz. Here you can get a brief overview of the features available to you via the Consenz unit. Pre-order if you haven't already. And finally, the investor link is for those of you interested in getting more involved in our continued growth. Upon login, you will get presented with the main home screen, where you will have access to settings and notifications, a map of your device's current location, your car's details, 4 buttons to access the evolving features available through your Consenz account, and a taskbar to access the most commonly used tabs. In the taskbar along the bottom, the home button will bring you back to the home screen from any other page in the app. Trips will access the navigation tools for planning and sending routes to your Consenz unit. Note that it will require your location settings to be active. Help provides useful resources for how to get the best out of your device and resolve any potential issues. Profile allows you to update your contact details and password. Help provides an archive of useful tutorials to assist you in getting the most out of your device and our services. These can be watched instantly without needing to leave the app. The Unit Manual tab contains all our written manuals if you prefer to read up on the features or tech specifications. Frequently asked questions, or FAQs, are available here, and your particular question can easily be found when filtered by category. These will be continuously updated as more Consenz users join. Finally, if you have a particular issue that needs our support, you can report it directly to us for investigation under the relevant category for the issue you're facing. You can also send screenshots to aid us with finding a solution for you. To plan a trip using the app, begin by clicking Trips in the taskbar. Here you can search for your starting location in the field labelled From, or choose Current Location to detect your starting point. Search for your destination using the field labelled To. Recent searches and suggestions will appear below and update while you type. Clicking Add a Stop allows you to search and add more stops along your journey. With your trip now planned, you can save it for later by clicking the bookmark icon. Just give it a suitable name and click Save. When you're finished planning, click Send to Head-Up display and it will transfer to the Consenz unit. Recalling a saved trip is a simple case of clicking on the Saved Trips tab and selecting your trip from the list that appears. Remove old trips by tapping the bookmark icon. Selecting your trip will return the app to the Plan a Trip page with your departure and arrival destinations added. Click Send to Heads Up display to begin your journey using the Consenz unit. Find all the options for sharing your journey by clicking the Share icon.